Welcome to the Fruit of the Spirit Family Activity Packs, an exciting and engaging way to teach your children about the 9 fruits of the Spirit mentioned in Galatians 5:22-23. Whether you're homeschooling or leading a Sunday school class, these packs are perfect for children ages 3 and above. Let me quickly run you through each section and what it's for. Goal. This section introduces the overall theme of the lesson and what the child can expect to learn. Scripture. This section provides Bible references related to the fruit of the Spirit being taught. Let's talk. This section provides the main idea of each lesson for each individual fruit of the Spirit. It also provides questions for discussion with the children, which serve as a guide for individualized storytelling. There is also a short story provided as a teaching aid for each unit. Activity. The activity provided for each fruit is designed to engage the child in the lesson and reinforce the concepts being taught. Examples include object lessons, scavenger hunts, and more. In action. This section reinforces the concepts through hands-on activities such as planting a small garden or picking up litter in the neighborhood. Correlations can be drawn to the fruit of the Spirit covered in the lesson. Crafts. All crafts are designed to reinforce the curriculum and give the child a reminder of the lesson. Thorough directions are included, instructing you on how to prepare and complete the craft. Supply lists are also included in each lesson. Extra activity. The extra section is designed to enhance each fruit and give continuity to all 9 fruits. Each fruit has one specific extra activity. These activity packs offer complete instructions, videos, and many support activities. They're designed to be used by individuals in their homes as well as in larger group settings, such as Sunday school programs and Christian schools. So what are you waiting for? Grab your Fruit of the Spirit family activity packs and watch your child's faith grow as they learn about love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness, and self-control.